Hi, how are you? How are you, everyone? After a long time, I came back, but a lot of people I see that a lot of people were asking for this thing back in the days, and till now they are asking like how we can automate Instagram. So let's run this automation so you will know, and then we will build it. You just press this, run, and let's see the automation yourself. This one we are using Olly extension. You can download this one for free. You can see that powered by olly.social. You just download this extension and then add your what you call prompts. Why I suggest Olly social because it's reading all these comments on the screen and then making a new comment. So it is now it will go to the next post. Repeat the same task again. Comment. You don't need to press the like because nobody care about the like. They care about the comments as well. Because you can see there are like 24,000 likes on this video, but there are hardly 5, 6 comments. So when the comments are there, people tend to go and come to your Instagram handle, and then it will close the tab. Done. So let's start building this one. Okay, it's very easy. It's not very complicated. So I just gonna start it from the scratch, and I'm gonna explain everything on the way. Instagram automation. Just type anything one and create. And the very first thing is that we have to open what? A tab. So we just come here, and for this we will go to Instagram. See, you have to repeat the same task which we are doing there. We have to repeat it there here as well. So you just come here and come to the explore. Now you will say that maybe it comments twice on the same post or thrice on the same. It doesn't happen like this. See this. Every time there will be new videos. Every single time there will be new videos. See this. I just keep on refreshing. Whatever you are watching or whatever you are watching on your mobile phone, if you come to the desktop and sign in, the videos are totally different what is shown there. So let's try. I don't watch this kind of. Okay, perfect. So we just copy this, come back, and this is the one. Okay, and done. Now this one is a delay. Like delay means I don't know that this delay is after coming to the website or something like that, but I would suggest it's like make it 5,000. 1,000 is 1 second, so 5,000 is like wait for 5 seconds, and it's much better. I suggest, and for like better, uh, you know, don't get. We can add another 5,000 here just to be double secure, because see these automations are not you gonna come every time here. You're gonna just keep on pressing this button and it will keep on doing the same task again and again and again. This is only with the one time you have to make this thing. So you have to be very perfect with these things. Why? Because of the timing delays, Instagram cannot figure it out that are you a bot or are you a, yeah, actual human. So we're gonna replica everything like a actual human. So like 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Now what we will gonna do, we're gonna click the elements. Like now we are on the explore tab where we have to click. We just come here and then we just see this, select an element. Just imagine this has a your mouse click, like you click with your mouse. Just imagine this has your mouse click. So you just want to click here, 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 here. It's up to you, but I suggest stay in the middle because this one sometimes gets small, this time can sometimes gets bigger. So stay in the middle and enter. Okay, and done. This is done, this is done, and just make it like this more sexy. Okay, so we're gonna go back and repeat the same task here. Press this. Now we're gonna go back in, and now again we have to click somewhere, right? Like to comment. So we just press this one, and then again we select an element. Now where we want to click here, we have to click on this one to add the comment, right? So we click here and enter and done. So now again, we're gonna go back and do the same task again. Click here, see this. So what's the power of this extension is that it just have everything here. You don't, this Olly social reads all these comments because I work with Yash on this thing. When he was making Instagram extension, I was telling him to if somehow he can read all these comments. He said it is possible now. So it reads all these comments and then generate a post. So you just need to play with your prompts. Okay, so we already clicked here, right? So we go back and now we just add a delay of 5,000. And now what we have to do? We have to do another click, right? Now what this click will do? This click will press this button, right? So enter. And now we go back and do the same thing, support. Now see, it's taking time to generate the post, right? So we will put a delay now. So why we have to put a delay? Because it's taking time to generate a post. So we put a delay of like 5 seconds. 5,000 means 5 seconds. Okay. Now move this here. Now the post has been generated. We wait for 5 seconds and then we have to click again, right? Where we have to click? We have to click on the post here. So we just go back, select an element and post. Done. Done. So we go back again and we post. This is just to make the first automation. We are for like we have to follow everything. First we teach the computer and then we complete the task and then we move to another task. So computer can understand like what you are doing. So you're just teaching the computer. So now we post. Okay. Why post works? Because see, there are like 19,000 likes, but see, there are like hardly 15 comments. So whenever someone lands here, he will always see your post. And if your answer is funny or anything like that, because Instagram is funny, it's not serious platform. So write anything you want to write or play with the prompts. I played a long time ago, so I know what works here. And then now see, we already posted, it's here. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the next post. So here is that button. So we go back and then let's add a delay of, no, forget about delay. Let's make it 5 seconds, it's much better. Okay, now we have to click another element, which is this one. Done. Submit. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to go back and press it. So now we don't need this thing anymore. It's done because I will tell you what's next we have to do. We just press close. Okay, now it went to the next post, right? Now we do one thing. We just start from here because see, this one opened the tab, there was a delay of 5 seconds, then it clicked the middle image and then it clicked that the comment section. From here the comment section started, then from comment it went to that support, like the one, that extension thing. Once it click that button, it start generating a comment, then we put a delay of 5 seconds so it takes times. And once after 5 seconds and 3 seconds, 8 seconds, there was another click which clicked the post button and it posted. Then we wait for another 5 seconds and then we go to the next post. So now what we have to do, we have to repeat the same task here, right? But we don't need to come here back again. We just come here, copy, oh sorry, we just start from here, copy, paste, and just add it here. This is the first one, this is the second one, copy, paste. Because a repeating task, like if for example you are doing it, you're gonna do it the same way, right? There's no like other. And then again delay, copy, paste. Let's see if I can copy multiple. No, I cannot. Copy, no. Yeah, I can copy and paste. No, it's only doing this. But I did see, it's selecting both of them and copy, paste. No, it's only bringing one only. Yeah, it's bringing only one. So we have to do it right now. We just copy, paste, and we just keep on connecting this one. If somehow it auto connects, it's much better because I'm just doing copy paste. So obviously, when I'm doing copy paste, it should connect to the last block automatically. But no problem. And then again, this one copy, paste, and then again. See, done, done, done. Again, we just repeat the same thing, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Let's do it because why? Uh, Instagram allow you to comment up to 102 times in a day, no more than that. If you try to even do it, you will not get banned. But the problem is that your all comments will go into spam. So to avoid this one, I suggest you to just come up, do like 3 4 comments every 1 hour or half an hour, and done. You can do this. Let's go a little bit more further. Okay, again, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy. Why I'm doing this one? Because it's much easier if it breaks somewhere, I will know that it breaks. So you can also figure it out. Copy and paste. And the very last step after this, I will tell you right now why that step is important. Okay, and this one goes here, this one goes here. Mm. Okay, the very last step is to close the tab. Now what we are doing 3 times comments on different posts. So last one is like close tab. Done. Your automation is done. Now see, let me close all the tabs. Instagram tab is closed and I run this automation. Now you can see the logs here. Sorry, let the automation run. I didn't try that it does in the background. Let's see. Yeah, it's doing delay. Let's see if it runs the. Yeah, it's running in the background, so you don't need to worry about anything now. Let's see if it does it. We will go like, well, no, no, it didn't do it. Okay, let's run it again. Later on, I'm gonna, automate in Facebook, Twitter. Twitter is the next one I'm going to do it. See, now there's no like and no comments like 4 weeks now. Let's see what kind of comment it generate. Yeah, see, it's reading the first comment and then generating the post according to that. That is replying inside the comment itself. It's good, huh? I never bother. I was running automations, so I never, read the comments at all. I run for so many companies this kind of automations. But now this ByteSpace came out. So I said, why not? Now see, it will do the last one. Post. It will go to the next one and then close the tab. I hate this kind of videos. Yeah, it's closed. It's closed because there were 2 extensions here. And we can go into the log. Successful. Perfect. So now you have your Instagram automations. So come, join, and later on, just give me the ideas you have in your mind, and I gonna keep on doing it. And see the videos that ByteSpace left there on their channel. Uh, They have done next level automations that even I can't even imagine. And their website is like this one, ByteSpace.ai, and they are right now in beta. They are just giving very few access to few people. So I just suggest join the wait list. And later on, just imagine this thing. Oh man, you're gonna build something online like a mobile app, and then on mobile app you have everything like go and comment on Facebook, go and comment on Instagram, go. You just click there, and this automation will run on the background and everything. We will figure it out. There are so many automations they have it right now, but they are all under like closed beta. They are not releasing it, but they are all very easy to make. They are way easier than they are telling. So this is the one. Right now is free, okay, and we are not using at all this AI credits. They give you more AI credits, but my automations will be mostly without AI credits. So anyone on a free account as well can use it, but I know they're gonna put a limit of how many automations like you can keep on running on your desktop or on the cloud. I am not sure yet because I have to speak to them, but I suggest go to about as well. And I read somewhere about this two guys, and I really like them now. I like them more than before. Because I got on a call with them, and I didn't do any kind of research. That's why I close everything just to play with this thing. And I'm making a lot of great automations, but this one is just the starting one, showing you. Now this thing kills task magic, kills zero work as well. You remember this thing. I was in love this with this thing, but this is something next level. It cannot never kill user, but that because they are targeting the enterprise level people. So I'm just sharing it on my channel now. Just go and play with this. This is a website. Get into the what you call waitlist. Join the waitlist, and in the future you don't need to make the automations anymore as well because they are going to launch their marketplace. You just come here and buy it. Like to use it is like $1 or maybe $10 or maybe $20. I have no idea what will be the prices for that, but it's much better than you can just start a web agency where you can just go to any company and just tell them that I can run your social media, and to run that social media you just need to sign in with his accounts on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and then run the automations. Okay, see you. Thank you. Bye bye.